What's up? Good morning, Philippines. Today is upgrade day for the Ninja. We are getting new tires put on the Ninja, and this is a subject I really wanted to talk about.
In 200 meters, turn right.
There's a lot to this one, a lot more than just having tires put on. So I plan to go to sleep early, wake up early, and shoot a talking points to start this one off at my desk in the morning. Yeah, I procrastinated. I did wake up early enough, but procrastinated so much that never happened. And I thought, it's a MotoVlog. Why not just talk on the MotoVlog? Doesn't that make sense? Oh, we're gonna be all traffic. I thought everybody's home. There's a lot going on. We got the C19, whatever the heck you call it, going on, and my area in Green Hills is like a ghost town. I went to the mall the other day, and there were people there, but there were barely any compared to normal. Y'all are all supposed to be home, so I have an easy ride to where I'm going. I've never been here before, but we're gonna talk about the place in just a moment. Getting new tires on the bike isn't as easy as it should be. And it isn't as easy as it seems, for sure. Originally, I planned to get Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3 tires put on here. Then I had to plug my tire, and I went on one more trip. Then I noticed there's multiple nails in my tire. So I'm not gonna buy Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s and then after a month have to replace them because I get another nail in a tire. It seems to be a common thing here in the Philippines.
In 800 meters, turn left.
Before, I was concerned more about the jagged sidewalks and potholes and stuff like that, but man, I probably got 4 nails on my other tire. I'm not gonna spend a fortune on tires and then 1 month have to replace it. So I didn't want to put cheap tires because I'm worried about grip. I don't like sliding around, and when I'm leaning on these tires, even when I hit a wet painted line, it slides. My Rosso 2s never did that. You know, they gripped in like any circumstance. I fully trust those tires. The nice thing is that the Rosso 2s don't cost that much. Oh fuck, you're gonna get me hit by a truck. Woo, I wasn't gonna slide over like I thought. In contemplation on getting a tire that I like the style of, trust the grip of, and all that kind of stuff, but without a huge price, because like I said, you might be replacing it pretty often. Damn bitch, shut up. You're screwing me all up. Turn right. Oh, maybe it's good you talked, because I was for sure gonna go straight. Come on, come on. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. The Pirelli Rosso 2s, what I have on the Diablo, those are a lot cheaper than the Rosso 3s. Like a lot, 10K cheaper. So I decided to go with those. Still a great tire, Pirelli. Still something I can trust, something I know that grips good. Now here lies the issue, tire balancing. Balancing tires is uncommon in the Philippines. I mean, that's crazy to think of. Most tire shops in the Philippines don't balance tires. Even Kawasaki Crib, owned by Kawasaki, does not balance tires. Yeah, that's your life riding on 2 wheels right here. It's not like you're in a car and you get in an accident and your seatbelt saves your life, or you get some bruised ribs or something. You know, it's a lot more serious on a bike. And a balanced tire is a serious thing. I was shocked to see that almost nobody balances tires. So our mission starts with finding tires at a place that balances your tires. I'm already decided I want Pirelli Diablo Rosso 2 tires. Now it's finding a good place that balances tires to put them on. Moto Market, they balance tires, but they do not sell Pirelli. So that one's out. SBAS, they balance tires, but I felt like the price is more than what I wanted to spend. Takara Tires has a really good price on the Pirellis, but they don't balance because they deal with mostly smaller bikes. And I guess on smaller bikes, balancing isn't that big of a deal. But on a bigger bike, when you're going high speeds like on the highway, definitely you need balanced tires. So Takara's out. I put a post on Facebook. It's not there anymore because a lot of arguments got going and everything else. It's like you can't post about anything. Like as simple as asking recommendations on a place to get tires. Then it turns into a big argument for everybody. Luckily, during the time that post was up, I did get recommended to a place called VRS Motorrad. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Under 13.5, mounted and balanced. I gotta say, I'm very happy with this. Don't love the weights. I mean, it's a necessary evil. You need to have it so the bike's safe. Without these weights, you go high speed, you're risking a tank slapper, and that could be your life. So definitely it's worth it, but I'm gonna look for some marker paint that I can just paint over it and maybe hide that a little bit. So happy to have the Diablo tires back. So sticky. Thank you guys at MotoRad.
So it's fine.